my name is Kyla DeTienne, owner of Birds and Bells Boutique, a buy-sell trade clothing store for women located in West Wash Park. I graduated from the Business Launch Boot Camp number 2. Before Rocky Mountain MicroFinance Institute, I was just having an idea about a business. I had no working knowledge. I was financially and emotionally unstable, living with family, and just unsure of my future. During the boot camp, I got working knowledge on how to start my business, and I started testing some of the theories, and I got self-confident on how to make it work. I was running my business out of my car to get it going, and I was able to see how I could do this for real. Here I am 2.5 years later in my storefront. I'm successful. I'm paying myself monthly. We've won several awards, the Best of Westward and Denver's A-List, integrated in the community, and I love what I do. One more thing, without Rocky Mountain MicroFinance Institute, I for 100% would not be where I am today. Thank you so much for your support and helping entrepreneurs just like me.